Hello everyone, so how to install Dazn app. So Dazn app is a live sports streaming app on iPhone. So you just tap get in the App Store app and the size is like 94 megabytes, so not a lot. And then you can just start installing after confirming with your Touch ID or Face ID and stuff. Yes, so you can live stream sports here. There is like I think 30-day free trial, but then you need to pay, of course. So yeah, something like that. And then you can just open up. This app. And then you can just sign up, sign in, or just explore Dazn. So yeah, you can explore the app even without creating an account. So something like that. Hope it was helpful. Please like and subscribe. I'm trying to reach 100,000 subscribers. In my channel, I describe different cool apps.